So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can contact Bitget Help Center. So guys, if you're having some trouble with the Bitget wallet account and you don't know where to look for help, then this video is for you. I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can contact Bitget Help Center. So once you've opened the app and you're on this page, go ahead and look at the top left corner, tap there, and then you'll see options like language, currency, theme, reporting cycle, rewards account, advanced settings, user guide, academy, feedback, security, and many more. We just need to go ahead and tap on user feedback, and once you do so, just go ahead and select the category of why you are contacting them. So let's say you have a product improvement suggestion, and then write down your feedback in words and type in your contact email. They will contact you through this email, and tap on submit. And in this way, you can successfully contact Bitget Help Center, wait for them to write you back. And guys, there you go. That's how you contact Bitget Help Center. If the video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.